Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you love woodworking, DIY home decor, and creative handmade projects, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're exploring beautiful and practical small wood crafts ideas for home decor that are easy to make, enjoyable to build, and perfect for beginners as well as experienced woodworkers. Whether you're looking to decorate your own home, create thoughtful handmade gifts, or even start a small woodworking business, these inspiring ideas will help you turn simple pieces of wood into beautiful decorative items. Grab your favorite woodworking tools, prepare your workbench, and let's begin this creative journey together. Small wood crafts have become increasingly popular because they combine creativity, functionality, and natural beauty. Unlike large furniture projects that require expensive tools, lots of materials, and a spacious workshop, small woodworking projects can often be completed using leftover wood pieces, making them both affordable and environmentally friendly. Every small offcut has the potential to become something beautiful, whether it's a rustic shelf decoration, a candle holder, a wooden planter, a picture frame, or a stylish wall accent. Instead of throwing away leftover lumber, creative woodworkers see endless possibilities hidden within every piece of wood. The natural grain, texture, and color variations make every handcrafted item unique, ensuring that no two projects are exactly alike. Before starting any project, selecting the right type of wood is an important step. Softwoods such as pine, cedar, and fir are easy to cut, shape, and sand, making them excellent choices for beginners. Hardwoods like oak, maple, walnut, cherry, and ash provide greater durability and stunning grain patterns, making finished projects look elegant and professional. Reclaimed wood is another excellent option because it brings character and history into every design while supporting sustainable woodworking practices. Old fence boards, pallet wood, barn wood, or leftover construction lumber can all be transformed into attractive home decor with proper preparation. Preparation is one of the secrets behind professional-looking woodcrafts. Carefully inspect each piece of wood for cracks, nails, or imperfections before beginning. Measure accurately, mark your cutting lines clearly, and use sharp tools to achieve clean cuts. Sand every surface thoroughly, starting with coarse grit sandpaper to remove rough areas before progressing to finer grits that create a silky smooth finish. Smooth edges not only improve appearance, but also make every project safer to handle. One of the easiest projects to create is a decorative wooden candle holder. Small wood blocks can be cut into various heights, drilled to hold tea-light candles, then sanded and finished with natural oil or wood stain. Arranging several candle holders together creates a warm centerpiece perfect for dining tables, coffee tables, or fireplace mantles. The natural beauty of wood combined with soft candlelight creates an inviting atmosphere that complements both rustic and modern interiors. Wooden picture frames are another timeless project that allows your craftsmanship to become part of family memories. Carefully cut narrow strips of wood, join the corners precisely, and finish the frame with paint, stain, or clear polyurethane. Personal touches such as carved initials, burned decorative patterns, or engraved dates make every frame unique and meaningful. Handmade frames also make thoughtful gifts for birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, or holidays. Small floating shelves provide both beauty and functionality. Simple wooden boards mounted with hidden brackets can display indoor plants, books, candles, family photos, or decorative accessories. Minimalist shelves fit modern homes, while distressed finishes create charming farmhouse decor. Adding decorative edge profiles or contrasting wood species gives each shelf extra character. Wooden plant stands and succulent holders have become popular because they bring nature indoors while highlighting handcrafted design. Small wooden cubes, geometric stands, or simple planter boxes can be customized in countless ways. Combining smooth wood surfaces with green plants creates a relaxing balance between natural materials and living decoration. These projects are excellent for using small wood scraps while adding fresh style to any room. Wall art made from wood offers endless creative opportunities. Small wooden strips arranged into geometric patterns, mountain landscapes, abstract designs, or mosaic-style compositions create eye-catching focal points for living rooms, bedrooms, and entryways. Mixing different wood species allows natural color variations to become part of the artwork without requiring paint. Applying clear finishes enhances the grain while preserving the authentic beauty of the wood. Wooden signs remain one of the most popular home decor projects. Inspirational quotes, welcome messages, family names, seasonal greetings, or personalized designs can be painted, carved, engraved, or wood-burned onto small boards. Rustic finishes using reclaimed wood create warm farmhouse charm, while smooth painted finishes suit modern interiors. Decorative signs are easy to customize for every season and occasion. Small wooden trays combine elegance with everyday usefulness. Carefully assembled trays featuring raised edges and comfortable handles can organize candles, perfumes, coffee accessories, jewelry, or decorative items. Hardwood trays finished with food-safe oil can also serve snacks or beverages. Precision sanding and careful finishing transform simple boards into sophisticated home accessories. Wooden coasters are excellent beginner projects because they require only small pieces of wood while teaching important woodworking skills such as measuring, cutting, sanding, routing, and finishing. Circular, square, or hexagonal coasters can feature engraved designs, resin inlays, or contrasting wood combinations. Applying waterproof finishes protects them from daily use while preserving their natural beauty. Jewelry organizers made from wood help reduce clutter while adding decorative appeal. Small trays, ring holders, necklace stands, and bracelet displays can all be made using simple woodworking techniques. Adding brass hooks, leather accents, or felt lining enhances both appearance and functionality. Handmade organizers become beautiful additions to dressers and vanities. Wooden key holders placed near entryways keep homes organized while adding welcoming charm. Small boards fitted with decorative hooks, miniature shelves, or engraved family names combine storage and decoration. Incorporating reclaimed wood, metal accents, or live edge boards creates distinctive pieces that immediately catch attention. Clock projects introduce additional woodworking skills while producing practical home decor. Simple wooden clock faces made from round or square boards can be customized using painted numbers, engraved markers, resin artwork, or natural wood grain. Installing a clock mechanism transforms handcrafted wood into functional wall art appreciated every day. Seasonal decorations provide opportunities to celebrate holidays with handmade charm. Wooden pumpkins for autumn, Christmas trees for winter, hearts for Valentine's Day, Easter bunnies, or patriotic stars can all be crafted from scrap wood. Painting, staining, or distressing these decorations allows them to match different decorating styles while becoming treasured family traditions. Wood burning, also known as pyrography, adds artistic detail to small wood crafts. Using specialized wood-burning tools, beautiful floral designs, wildlife scenes, inspirational quotes, geometric patterns, or personalized names can be permanently burned into the wood surface. Pyrography requires patience, but rewards makers with distinctive handcrafted artwork impossible to duplicate by machine. Combining wood with other natural materials creates even more interesting projects. Leather handles, rope hangers, metal brackets, glass jars, ceramic pots, and resin accents all complement wood beautifully. Mixed material designs often appear more modern while maintaining the warmth that natural wood brings into every space. Applying the right finish protects your work and highlights the natural grain. Danish oil, tung oil, mineral oil, beeswax, polyurethane, lacquer, or water-based finishes each offer different levels of protection and appearance. Matte finishes emphasize natural beauty, while satin and gloss finishes create elegant reflections. Always apply thin coats, allow sufficient drying time, and lightly sand between coats when necessary for the smoothest results. Safety should always remain a priority in every woodworking project. Wear eye protection when cutting or sanding, use hearing protection around loud power tools, secure workpieces properly with clamps, and wear a dust mask to reduce inhalation of fine wood particles. Keep your workspace clean and organized to prevent accidents while ensuring greater accuracy during construction. One of the most rewarding aspects of woodworking is the opportunity to personalize every project. Initials, family names, engraved dates, custom dimensions, favorite colors, and unique decorative patterns transform ordinary crafts into meaningful keepsakes. Handmade items carry emotional value because every piece reflects the time, patience, and creativity invested by the maker. Many woodworkers discover that small crafts become more than hobbies. Friends and family often request custom-made items after seeing finished projects, opening opportunities to sell creations at local craft fairs, online marketplaces, or social media platforms. Small home decor products require less material investment while offering attractive profit potential when crafted with care and attention to detail. As your woodworking experience grows, you'll naturally develop new skills and greater confidence. Each project teaches valuable lessons about measuring accurately, selecting suitable materials, improving finishing techniques, and solving creative design challenges. Even mistakes become learning opportunities that contribute to future success. Over time, your craftsmanship becomes more refined, allowing increasingly detailed and impressive projects. The beauty of small woodcrafts lies not only in the finished products, but also in the peaceful creative process. Working with natural wood encourages patience, concentration, and appreciation for craftsmanship. Every cut, every sanding stroke, and every finishing touch contributes to creating something lasting that can be enjoyed for many years. Unlike mass-produced decorations, handmade wooden crafts tell a story of creativity, dedication, and personal expression. Whether your decorating style is rustic farmhouse, Scandinavian, modern minimalist, industrial, coastal, vintage, or traditional, wood naturally complements every interior design theme. Its warmth, texture, and timeless appeal never go out of style. Small handcrafted decorations can easily be updated seasonally or rearranged throughout the home, keeping your living space fresh and inviting without major expense. As you continue exploring woodworking, don't be afraid to experiment with different wood species, finishes, shapes, and design ideas. Inspiration can come from nature, architecture, everyday objects, or your own imagination. Every project strengthens your skills while encouraging even greater creativity. Remember that the most beautiful handcrafted items often begin with the simplest pieces of wood and a willingness to create something unique. Thank you so much for watching. We hope these small woodcrafts ideas have inspired you to start your next woodworking project and create beautiful handmade home decor. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more woodworking inspiration, DIY home decor ideas, creative woodcraft tutorials, and beginner-friendly projects. Don't forget to leave a comment below and tell us which woodcraft you would love to build next. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and happy woodworking.